Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let me tap on it. And basically what I wanted to show you, let me enter the capture option. I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line, the golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you that the reset option will work, so it will be my evidence. So if you want to reset the settings, just tap on the settings themselves in the right upper corner, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on done, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and we cannot see the spiral. It is because we just successfully reset the settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.